Public finance is a vital component of any nation's economic framework, playing a crucial role in the functioning of government and the overall well-being of society. From the collection of taxes to the allocation of resources for public goods, public finance encompasses a wide array of activities that directly impact citizens' lives. As governments navigate complex economic landscapes, understanding the intricacies of public finance becomes essential for achieving sustainable growth and equitable development. We will explore the multifaceted role of public finance, including resource allocation, economic stabilization, income redistribution, public investment, and the provision of public goods. The primary function of public finance is resource allocation, which involves determining how scarce resources are distributed among various sectors and services. Governments collect revenue through taxes, fees, and other means, which are then allocated to different areas such as education, healthcare, and infrastructure. This allocation is crucial as it influences economic efficiency and social welfare. By prioritizing expenditures based on the needs of the population, governments can ensure that resources are directed toward projects that yield the highest social returns. Ultimately, effective resource allocation through public finance enhances productivity and promotes overall economic growth. Another significant role of public finance is economic stabilization, which aims to smooth out the fluctuations in the business cycle. Governments utilize fiscal policies, including adjustments in taxation and public spending, to mitigate the effects of economic downturns and to stimulate growth during recessions. For instance, during periods of economic contraction, governments may increase spending or cut taxes to boost demand and support job creation. Conversely, in times of economic expansion, they may reduce spending or raise taxes to prevent overheating. By actively managing fiscal policies, public finance serves as a tool for maintaining economic stability and fostering resilience in the face of external shocks. Income redistribution is also a critical aspect of public finance, as it seeks to reduce economic inequalities within society. Through progressive taxation systems, where higher income earners pay a larger percentage of their income in taxes, and social welfare programs that provide assistance to lower-income individuals, public finance plays a pivotal role in redistributing wealth. This redistribution helps to enhance social equity, ensuring that all citizens have access to essential services and opportunities. By addressing disparities in income and wealth, public finance contributes to a more cohesive and stable society. Public investment represents another essential function of public finance, as it encompasses government spending on infrastructure and services that promote long-term economic growth. Investments in transportation, education, and technology not only create jobs but also enhance productivity and competitiveness. For example, a well-developed transportation network facilitates trade and mobility, while investments in education yield a more skilled workforce. By prioritizing public investment, governments can lay the groundwork for sustainable development and improve the quality of life for their citizens. Furthermore, public finance plays a crucial role in the provision of public goods, which are services that benefit all members of society and are typically underprovided by the private sector. Examples of public goods include national defense, clean air, and public parks. Governments use public finance to fund these goods, as their non-excludable and non-rivalrous nature means that individuals cannot be effectively charged for their use. The importance of public finance. Public finance plays a vital role in maintaining economic stability and fostering sustainable growth. By managing the flow of funds within an economy, governments can influence overall economic activity, mitigate the impacts of economic downturns, and invest in long-term development projects. Effective public finance management ensures that resources are allocated efficiently, allowing for the provision of essential public goods and services, such as healthcare, education, and infrastructure. Moreover, public finance is instrumental in addressing income inequality and poverty. Through various fiscal policies, such as taxation and social welfare programs, governments can redistribute wealth and provide financial assistance to those in need. This helps to create a more equitable society, reducing the gap between the rich and the poor and promoting social cohesion. Public finance is a cornerstone of economic stability and development. It provides the framework through which governments collect revenue, allocate resources, and manage debt to achieve social and economic objectives. Effective public finance management is essential for promoting economic growth, reducing income inequality, and ensuring the provision of public goods and services. However, it also presents challenges that require careful planning, transparency, and adaptability. As economies continue to evolve, the role of public finance will remain crucial in shaping the future of nations and their citizens. Components of public finance. Public finance is broadly divided into three main components: revenue collection, expenditure, and debt management. Revenue collection. Governments collect revenue primarily through taxation. Taxes can be categorized into direct taxes, such as income tax, and indirect taxes, such as sales tax and value-added tax, VAT. Other sources of revenue include non-tax revenues like fees, fines, and profits from state-owned enterprises. Efficient revenue collection is crucial for ensuring that the government has sufficient funds to meet its obligations and finance public goods and services. Public expenditure. Expenditure refers to the allocation of government funds to various sectors of the economy. Public expenditure can be classified into current expenditure, which includes spending on goods and services consumed within the year, e.g., salaries of public servants, and capital expenditure, which involves investments in infrastructure and other long-term assets. Debt management. When revenues are insufficient to cover expenditures, governments may resort to borrowing, leading to public debt. Effective debt management is essential to ensure that borrowing does not lead to unsustainable debt levels. Governments must carefully balance the need for borrowing to finance development projects with the need to maintain fiscal discipline and avoid excessive debt that could burden future generations. Lastly, public finance is integral to maintaining national security and public order. Government budgets allocate significant resources to defense, law enforcement, and emergency services, which are essential for protecting citizens and upholding the rule of law. By ensuring that these sectors are well funded, public finance contributes to the stability and safety of society as a whole. In this way, public finance acts as a backbone for societal structure, enabling governments to respond effectively to both everyday challenges and extraordinary crises. In conclusion, public finance is a multifaceted system that plays an essential role in shaping the economic and social fabric of a nation. By managing revenues and expenditures, it influences economic stability, facilitates wealth redistribution, promotes sustainable development, and ensures national security. Thank you for joining us on this financial journey. We hope today's insights have added value to your financial literacy. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination. If you enjoyed today's content, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more insightful videos.